Good morning, everybody. I forgot to do a recording before I packed up, so I'm all packed up. I'm really going to try and get miles in today because yesterday was such a Charlie Foxtrot with not being able to get through or around Chicago. Everybody I know since then has said, oh, you should have done anything to avoid Chicago. Live and learn. So the Dragon Beast and I are ready to rock. We are definitely going to try and rack up some miles today because it's all freeway. Hopefully not so much stinking construction too. So I'm real grateful for the road trip, and learned last night the loss of a friend suddenly in her sleep, and the community she belongs to is mourning today, and I'm mourning along with them. She was a marvelous woman, and Margaret will be missed. Oh boy. Okay, sad day too. This is the 1-year anniversary of losing Sparky, my beloved traveling companion. He died a year ago today. So, wow. I better get on the road and start looking at stuff so I can find my center. Whew. Take care, everybody. And I'm going to ride safe, and I hope you'll be safe too. How fun to actually go by the place where Summer Internationals for Women in the Wind is going to happen next year. Wow. See where it says squeaky fresh cheese curds, Wisconsin cheese? Well, I did some shopping while I got gas. Shell gas, $2.98 here. I am definitely deep in Wisconsin. I had to make a stop. 360 miles. Just been stopping for gas. This is so beautiful. I'm in a rest stop. Now, California doesn't have anything at all like this. Look at out here where you can see the beautiful, there's a creek down there, there's a bicycle path, and lots of picnic tables, and green everything. Even a green metal roof on the building for the restrooms and vending machines. This is stunning. Oh, sure, I wouldn't want to be here in November or January, but for a break, for a nice bit of lunch, it can't be beat. It's cool and nice. Up ahead, I can't see anything that looks dangerous except way off in the distance, and I'll get there when I get there. So, a few more bits and doings here, and then back on the Dragon Beast. Stopping for gas just outside of Sioux Falls. Look to the left. Do you see up there in the sky what looks like an M? Absolutely, at the end of my helmet there, the letter M. Not only that, to the left of that, there's a dog head. Now, if that isn't a sign of my dog Sparky and my friend Margaret, I don't know what is. I can't believe how clear those two messages are. And a little while later, off in the clear blue sky, I'm seeing my Sparky sitting up and looking at me in those clouds. Maybe being alone on this long road is given these, but heck, I'm not complaining at all. I see dogs everywhere in the sky today. Sparky's message after a year of being gone. I'm okay, I'm okay, I'm okay. So I did it. I made it. 500-mile day. Let's see, 521 miles. And I'm now in Mitchell, South Dakota. And I have beer. Beer. And my bike is tired, and so am I. But I'll walk back and pick up ice. Is it that one or that one? Okay. Yeah. Whew. Can you tell it's been a long day? Yes, but I'm in my sight now, so I'm good. It was very windy. I was getting pushed all over. So I'm gonna kick back with one of those beers and enjoy a much deserved feet up evening. I'll get this video posted just as quick as I can. He says the Wi-Fi is really, really good. So that will be good too. Till later.